This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and installing Sound Assistant. You need Android 9 or later for full features. Once installed, open the app and grant audio, notification, and overlay permissions so controls can appear over other apps. Make sure your phone's firmware and Galaxy Store are updated to avoid version mismatches. You'll also enable developer options only if instructed by a specific guide, but don't enable random flags. Now that permissions are set, proceed to basic configuration to shape how sound behaves. You'll configure the main controls next. First, enable per-app volume so individual apps don't fight for loudness. Set each app's level while they play to hear the effect immediately. Then separate media and ringtone volumes and change the volume step size to larger or smaller increments. This makes precise adjustments quicker. Next, customize output routing for headphones and Bluetooth and toggle the EQ or surround presets. This tailors sound to content. Once done, test with music and a video to validate settings. Finish by adding advanced tweaks and a troubleshooting plan. Create profiles for quiet, commute, and home to switch several settings at once. Schedule them by time or location so you don't change things manually. If a feature won't apply, restart the phone, reset Sound Assistant settings, or reinstall the app to clear corrupted configs. If Bluetooth or headphones sound wrong, confirm the codec, repair the device, and verify permissions. One key tip: always test changes with the actual output device before assuming settings are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.